What the hell is this?
What's up, everybody? Lawrence Ryan here, coming to you live once again from the tunnel. Sorry, I had to get changed. This is my 92 Jeep Cherokee. 6 months ago, the alternator froze, killing the battery. Also happened to be the reason why the serpentine belts kept breaking. There had already been some exhaust issues with the vehicle, and there had been some power steering issues with the vehicle, and the heating system had also failed. Water was leaking in, and because it has been sitting for 6 months, the tires have started to go flat. I had pulled the alternator and attempted to repair it, but alas, it was too far gone. So, the conventional wisdom you might hear in a situation like this is, don't spend any more money on it, because the cost to repair it might start to exceed the value of the vehicle itself. Makes sense. You know, sell it for parts, trade it in, and move on to a new vehicle. And any fond memories you have of that vehicle can be remembered through the images you've saved for posterity. To that I unapologetically say, bullshit. Why? Because this is a 90s era Jeep, which has under its hood the Chrysler inline-six 4.0 liter engine, arguably one of the most reliable engines ever built. I mean, and I can attest to that. It's been great. It's been awesome. Some have gone so far as to say it's legendary. So, we're fixing it.
Not bad. Okay, this is supposed to fit in here. Gotta take this battery out. We'll see what happens. Does not want to go. There it is. Got it. Now, what the hell is this? Your friend and mine. Alright, so here it is installed. Brandy shiny new. It's kind of a sense of accomplishment that you saved $300, basically. Bolts are all tightened back up. Serpentine belt is on correctly.
Battery's connected. A moment of truth. Will it start? Let's see. All right. Key is in the ignition. I'm going to start it now. Yes! 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 It is started! It has started! Awesome! Now take a look at it. Fan is spinning. Belt is moving. Do this. So now the big question. Does the mail order alternator charge the battery? According to the web, when the engine's not running, the battery should be at about 12.1 volts. When the engine is running, the alternator should supply a charge to bring it up to about 14.1, 14.2. So, time to test it. Okay, it is showing 12.38 at the moment. 12.38. Time started up. $14.23. Way to go, mail order alternator. So behind me, my 92 Jeep Cherokee and the sound of success. Here, listen to it. Check it out.
Does not want to go.
It's a red Jeep Martini. This is Lawrence Ryan signing off for the Rebel Tunnel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, sign up for notifications, and I'll see you on the other side.